Last year, one of my 40-something clients told me her core is so weak and she feels like there's no strength in her body at all. So we started small, and 2 weeks later, she was moving with confidence. In today's video, I'm sharing the exercises I gave her to build strength and wake up her whole body. No equipment needed, you can do it at home. Hi, I'm Yanjing, a 36-year-old trainer with 7 years experience. I love breaking down training concepts into the simplest language so even beginners can understand. Before we start, I just want to let you know that this isn't a regular follow-along video, it's the actual homework I give my beginner clients. It doesn't require any equipment and you can simply do it at home. The intensity is very low. It's designed as a stepping stone to help you rebuild that connection with your body, to ease into your first 2 weeks of training. Keywords for today: break into zones, stretch and squeeze. Breaking into zones means you're splitting your body into upper, lower, front, and back, and you want to hit all the muscle groups. As a beginner, your goal is to wake up all your muscles from sleep mode. That's why full body workout is perfect for your first 2 weeks. Stretch and squeeze is the basic principle behind building strength. Most exercises, they stretch and squeeze the muscle to make it stronger. Of course, there are exceptions. Core exercise is going to be a little different. So, what is core? Core is not just your six-pack. It's deeper muscle, more like a set of straps that wrapping around your torso. So usually, if you have any lower back issue, if you go to PT, they're gonna tell you you're gonna work on your core. Let's start. We're gonna start with bracing, which is the foundation of planks and push-ups. So first you're gonna lie down on your back. When you're lying down, usually you're gonna find a gap on your lower back. So I want you to tilt your pelvis, which is right here, tilt your pelvis and press your lower back on the ground. So from here to here, to make sure there's no gap on your lower back. So this is pelvis tilt. So from here, we will move on to the next exercise, which is dead bug. So I want you to bring your legs up. Yep, no gap on your lower back, okay? Hands up, bring the opposite side out and bring them back. Out and back. Wherever you're moving like this, you should only feel right here in your core instead of anything in your lower back. So you probably heard keep your core tight somewhere. But how can you do that? Some people, they like to suck their belly in, but that's not how you keep your core tight. So the right way should be, imagine someone is about to punch you in your stomach. So you're gonna keep it tight instead of just sucking it in. Imagine someone about to punch you in your stomach. Next exercise, we will hit your upper body front, which is push-up. Most of the ladies have a hard time doing push-ups. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the easiest version. Usually you can start with wall push-up, which is put your hands against the wall. Make sure your hands are lower than your shoulders, then drive your chest to the wall. Meanwhile, keep your core engaged. Don't drop your belly. Tuck your elbows in so you don't pinch your shoulders. Your hands should be around your chest level. For this exercise, the lower, the harder. Later on, you can switch to your desk or countertop. Step by step, you will be able to do the standard push-up on the ground. Remember to tuck your elbows in and brace your core. Upper body back, prong lat pull down, at home edition. For upper body back, I grabbed a pair of my yoga pants or pajama pants or whatever you like. Lie down on your stomach, keep your feet on the floor, and hold those pants in your hands. Chest out, shoulders back. Bring your arms back like a letter W to feel the squeeze in your back. Keep your chest on the floor the whole time so you don't put too much pressure on your lower back. If you feel any discomfort in your shoulders, just get rid of the pants. Make sure you don't move behind your head, just in case it put too much pressure on your neck. Next, the foundation of lower body strength. Starting with bodyweight squat. First, place your feet wider than your hips. Slightly point your toes out. When you squat down, make sure you point your knees at the same direction as your toes. Depends on how flexible you are, try to squat as low as you can. You can imagine there's a chair behind you and you're trying to sit back down. As a beginner, you should focus on feeling the muscles in your thighs and butt to build that muscle memory. However, if you feel any discomfort in your knees while squatting, you can try the regression, which is box squat. As soon as your butt leaves the bench, pause for 2 seconds and focus on the muscle working. Doesn't matter if you're doing a standard squat or box squat. You want to make sure your core is braced and keep your chest up. Also, if you have a hard time feeling the muscles, try to imagine you're pushing from the back of your feet and squeeze your butt cheeks when you stand up. Next, let's wake up your glutes with hip bridge. First, sit down on the floor. Open your knees so your feet, knees, and hips are aligned. Then lie down on your back. Brace your core. Make sure there's no gap under your lower back. And then use your glutes to push your body up and down. Pause at the top of the bridge for 1 split second and really focus on squeezing your glutes. If that was too easy, try single leg hip bridge. Imagine you're using your working side only and push yourself up with only that side of your glutes. Wrap it up. Now you've seen all the exercises, and we're going to combine them together. Don't forget to take a screenshot of this page. If you complete this workout 3 times a week for 2 weeks, you're going to notice a difference. As a beginner, make sure you focus on build that mind-body connection and wake up your muscles. Don't push to failure yet, but do aim for a little bit of challenge. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next rep.